mark. So I built Pyth price pusher. So Pyth network, they're a oracle for price feeds on a lot of EVM chains, for example. And they also provide a lot of pairs, so you see all the pairs here. And what I did for the hackathon was I created basically, so they have very granular price feeds, so just about every second the price feeds will be updated. And some use cases you don't want to be getting a new updated price every second. So if you have like a smart contract with a lot of logic behind it, and you only want to trigger when there's a big enough percent change, or if enough time has passed since the last update, I've created this smart contract which you basically create a subscription. You give it an ID and a bounty, and each time that your subscription is updated in price, you pay a bounty to whoever updates it. But you're allowed to actually set a timestamp threshold and a percent change threshold, so that you can also set those criteria so you're not getting updated too frequently. This is just running through some of the smart contract, and most importantly is the update subscription. So any user can monitor this contract wherever it's deployed and try to make some money by updating bounties and essentially acting like a keeper for the contract. And you can also automate and make a bot to do that as well, of course. And deployed on Avalanche mainnet. And this is just looking at the remix. It's not very front-end heavy, but the deployment that I did for the front end, it's on Boss. So Boss is Near's front end, like hosting front ends on Near. And all this front end code here is going to be hosted directly on the Near blockchain, which is very unique because we're actually using code that's on the Near blockchain, but we're connecting with MetaMask and directly accessing without having a Near account or anything like that. So obviously not a crazy front end, but we can get different subscriptions here by filtering. And if we try to send, which basically sending is to upgrade the oracle to the latest, it's either going to allow us or not. And here we got allowed to do it because the time has passed or the percent change has passed. And if we try, for example, another index where the criteria aren't met, it's going to error out, and we just see that in the console here. But we would want that in the future to be shown on the front end, of course. That's basically it for the presentation. Yeah, thank you.
If anyone has questions, you like
Yeah.
to...
Any questions?
What is the index number?
The index number?
Yeah, that second input.
Yeah, also these inputs here are very sloppy because it's just the hex that comes from the contract. But basically, the data you get from them is, you could get an idea here. I think you'll get the price as well as, if you see the interface here, you'll get the price, the confidence of the price, so the oracle rates the price with the confidence, and the exponent here for the decimal. There's a couple of stuff like that. That's it. All right. Thank you, guys.